So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today our friends have asked us to give you a little video of how we do our intros, the transitions, the cool shots. Everybody wants to know about it, so I'm going to bring you along the journey and show you exactly how we do it step by step. Alright guys, let's do this. Babe? Babe, where are you? I thought you were here.
Hi everyone, do you like an intro right there? Well, today we're talking about speed ramping transitions. Everything we did here mostly was a speed ramp transition, and some of you have asked us what type of transitions we use or what presets we have. Well, all of this is inside camera movement transitions that we do, so I guess there's no other thing I can do but show you. Come on, let's go. So as you all can see here, we are on Final Cut Pro. I am selecting these two videos that we shot downtown a few days before. But the first thing you want to do when you select your clip is go to slow it down at 50%. Then what I like to do is I just go and I get my files, all my clips together, and then I slow it down. That way I can speed up the process a little bit. I don't like using audio, so I delete all the audio. Then once 50% processing is done, I start looking for a transition point that I like. So a spot where I think I can make it real fast and then slow down, and it can look dramatic or cinematic, whichever you're liking it is. I usually go for like 20%, but 8% also works. And you do that at your beginning of the clip and at the end of the clip to make it kind of like an in and out feel of the clip or the transition you are creating. Here I'm like, you can tell I'm like really kind of guessing where I really want that light fixture to be when I do the transition. And then once again, I go fast 20%. Same thing on the next clip. The best thing is to do 20% also, because if you going out at 20%, you would like to come in at 20%. That way it doesn't feel like there's like some motion sickness, or the motion keeps going. And then you also will select your outing point, and it will give you a final result that will look like this. Wait, after, Final Cut Pro renders, of course. I think we're about ready. And yeah, check it out.
Alright everyone, so that comes to the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it today. Of course, today was just a video telling you about some of the questions we've been getting about how we edit our transitions. Mainly when you go from like the really nice shots with the slow into the fast mode. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little montage at the beginning. We love creating that for you. If you have any suggestions for us, please let us know in the comments below. Also, I just wanted to say we love all of you for supporting us. We love that you are part of our family, and we thank you so much for everything and for watching us and coming back and enjoying our content. It means the world to us. Thank you so much, and we'll see you again in our next video. Bye!